Hey guys, welcome. I'm Kolie and I'm going to do an unboxing and a review for the Witch's Wisdom Tarot by Phillis, Curott. Please like, share, subscribe for more videos. Hit the notification bell for more videos to come. And so I'm going to dive in. So this is the back of the box, excuse me. And has a little flop here. So I went on and just took the plastic off, but this is nice. It's a nice book here. It's hard copy. It's pretty inside of the book. So we'll get to that in a second. Set this over here. Okay. Now this is okay, so they have it in a little baggie instead of the little box there. So I'll let you guys see the inside here. That's pretty. If you want to read that. Let's dive right on in. So I got this deck off of Amazon. This is the size. I think it's about 25, 30 bucks, somewhere in there. And this is the back of it. And had like a matte finish to it. It's pretty thick. Pretty durable. And I'm gonna go ahead and get started here. Bring the camera down. There we go. So it looks like it's starting with the source, I would say. And this is the Ace of Air, so it doesn't start with the major arcanas. It looks like a harp there, bone harp. And the Two of Air. The Three of Air. It's like an animal deck, animal nature deck. Four of Air. The Five of Air. The Six of Air. So I've never, I don't think I have any element decks like these. Seven of Air. I believe this is my first one I picked up, so I'm liking it so far. And the Eight of Air. The Nine of Air. So I like that. It's the little bees around the beehive, the bee nest. The Ten of Air. The Messenger of Air. So this could be the Page of Swords. Witch of Air. This may be the Knight of Swords. Craftsman of Air. Maybe she's the Queen of Air. I'm sorry, Queen of Swords. And this is the Goddess of Air, like the King of Swords. I definitely have to look in the book to see which is which, but I believe that's what it is. Now to the Ace of Fire, which is the Ace of Wands. The Two of Fire. The snakes on that. The Three of Fire. Looks like the swamp back there. The Four of Fire. The cute little baby foxes. And then he or she looks like he's just glued to each other, like she's not trying to get away from the mama fox. The five of fire, the butterflies, the 6 of fire. Oh, they're making a little heart there. That's cute. The 7 of fire. And he mean business. The 8 of fire. They're all together communicating. Where do we go now? 9 of fire. That's pretty too. The 10 of fire. It has little candles on here. Little candles. And it looks like a person is back there. On to the messenger of fire, which would be the page of wands. Witch of fire, like the knight of wands. Craftsman of fire. This may be the queen of wands, but I'm not sure. Maybe this queen of wands could have the feminine energy, and so can a guy. So maybe just switched. So the goddess of fire, which is the king of wands. Okay, now to the ace of water, which is the ace of cups, which is beautiful. A little frog there. Is that not quite sure what bug that is up there. The 2 of water. That's cute. Them 2 there. The 3 of water. The 4 of water. The 5 of water. The 6 of water. This is a cute little animal stick. Or sea deck. I just got a mixture of all the little sea animals and animals. 7 of water. Nature and trees. That's the 8 of water. Little turtles there. Going into the water. The 9 of water. 10 of water. It's like he's peeping. Little frogs in their family. Or maybe he's watching over them. Messenger of water. This could be the page of cups. Witch of water. Knight of cups. Craftsman of water. The queen of cups. Goddess of water is the king of cups. That's interesting. And I'm looking at this, and this is that a snake? I'm not sure. Looks like it. I don't know. Now to the ace of earth, which is the ace of pentacles. And I like that. That's cute. I really like. It's like a beautiful bouquet of flowers. 2 of earth. And just getting some sleep. Cuddled up. The 3 of earth. That's cute. The 4 of earth. Kind of reminds you of the stones where the cemetery is in a way. The 5 of Earth. Is that a... Let me see what that is. Little rabbits, little deers in there. Okay. The 6 of Earth. The 7 of Earth. 8 of Earth. That's gonna be interesting with this little pool in the middle. A lake or whatever that could be. The 9 of Earth. 10 of Earth. That's pretty. Messenger of Earth, which is like the Page of Pentacles. Witch of Earth, which is like the Knight of Pentacles. Craftsman of Earth, Queen of Pentacles. That's cute. Goddess of Earth, King of Pentacles. Wow, really? Did they do that, really? Now to the major arcanas, and it's going back. I don't know if it's going backwards or forwards, but this is a bit different for the world to be number 1. Two, initiation. Okay, I'm gonna just keep going. 3 of Sun. Yeah, this is totally different. 4 Moon. Okay. 5 Star. 6 Maze. Yeah, I have to look in the book to see what some of these are. 7 Ancestors. This is totally different with the major arcanas. 8 Healing. 9 Rebirth. Like some of them you can kind of put in what they are, or which card it is, but looks like some kind of puzzled on. 10 of Offering, or 10 Offering. 11 Balance. Like, you know, like for instance, this Justice. 12 Wheel of Life, the Wheel of Fortune. Like some of those, more than a few that I could see that, you know, I can pretty much understand, but some of them it's not. Like Shaman, not quite sure on this one. Strength, of course you know that one. Maybe this is the Fool for 15 Journey. Let's see. No, I don't see. Yeah, it could be the Fools walking. Love. Maybe it's the Lovers. 17 Wisdom Keeper. Maybe that's the Hermit. Guardian. This could be the Emperor. Great Mother. This could be the Empress, of course. Priestess for High Priestess. Council of All Beings, 21. So this may be the Hierophant. Could be. And 0, Pilgrim. So I'm kind of confused on that. But I'm going to go ahead and shuffle these for you guys. So you can see how they shuffle. They're kind of large, but you can grip them and shuffle. I'm going to pull a card for you guys. As a collective card. So they shuffle good, but they new, so it's kind of hard to shuffle them a bit, but you'll get the hang of it with these cards once you break them in. So let's pull a card for you guys, and then we'll dive into the book to see what the meaning of this card is going to be. You have the moon there. And also, we can take a look at the book. Let's see here. So, okay. Content. It has spreads. Witches. The magic of the witches. Yada, yada, yada. It has all the major and minor arcanas, what they mean. And let's see. So it doesn't have any pictures. Meditation, the practice. So maybe you can practice. Have some little things in here to let you, to show you how to practice meditation, I'm assuming. But let's see here. Let's go into keep in touch. Okay, and appeal flag. Okay. So this is the moon. Let's find the moon for you guys. Let's see. Moon would be on 114. See, find this for you guys. Where you at? Okay, here we go. I'm just gonna read a little bit for you guys and get the card so you can see as well. So it says, there's a wildness within us that yearns to be physical, sensual, animal free, but fear of this unknown part of the shadows where it can dwell, of where it may take us and who it might make us, has left us all only half alive. That's interesting. It has a little bit more, but I just want to read a little section for you guys. But it's saying that pretty much mean mystery, wildness, physical instinct, and liberated feminine power, excuse me. So there you have it for that. And this is the back of the book. But I like it, guys. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching. See you later.